We're Immobiliser Fit and this is an Audi SQ8 protected with a Starline Pro. If a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's going to start up, but as soon as they pop it into gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. As you see, it's died. They're unable to drive it anywhere. We get these errors when the vehicle's cut out, but once it's started correctly, these clear. So to start it properly, the customer can choose from either starting the car, popping in a code. For now we have 1, 2, 3, hearing a tone and driving away. Pop it into gear, it remains running. Or they can choose from just having their phone in the pocket, Bluetooth on. So it's just as simple as turning the Bluetooth on the phone. You can lock it in your pocket, you just come into the car, get in, start it up, and you're good to go. Drive away straight away, no need to waste any time. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is an Audi Q8 with a Starline Pro. You can choose from having Bluetooth phone pairing, so you just hop in the vehicle and drive away, or a push sequence. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.